Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert your PDF file to a JPG file on the 123apps.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, then scroll down to the PDF tools section and tap on PDF to JPG. After that, tap on this choose file button in the middle of the screen and select a PDF file from your documents, and after that click on upload. Here you can select from two options, convert pages or extract images. Tap on the relevant button and click on the download button in the middle of the screen to check out how it looks like. So here you can find it converted into pages. If you want to try out the other option, you should repeat the same steps. So select file, upload it, and now click on extract images, tap on download, and tap on this download button in the upper right corner of the screen. Open the document, and here you can find a folder including the extracted images from your file. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.